Alright, so we're solving question number 1 of paper number 1, Pure Mathematics of October-November session 2017. Alright, so the question is, find a term independent of x in the equation of 2x minus 1 over 4x squared. The equation raised to the power of 9. So we know that the term, any term can be found using NCR, and term number 1, I'm just going to write it a, and minus r, and term number b raised to the power of r. Okay, so writing this equation in that form would give us n is 9, we don't know r, that is what we have to find out the term. A is 2x 9 minus r, b is minus 1 over 4x squared raised to the power of r. Okay, this is our equation for finding out the term independent of x. Okay, so we know that these terms will have to multiply with each other. So if we just take the x of both these terms, we have x 9 minus r, and here we have this term put above would give us, we're only taking the x, right? We're not taking the signs, we're not taking the coefficients of x, we're just taking the term x. So x raised to the power minus 2, because it's in a denominator here, right? And we have this should be raised to the power of r, and this would equals to x to the power of 0, where x0 is equals to 1. This is what we need so that this equation gets rid of all the x's. Okay, so we have to multiply the power of x that we have with this power, and x 9 minus r would stay the same, multiplied by x minus 2r is equals to x0. If we multiply both these x, that their powers will add up, so 9 minus r plus minus 2r is equals to x0. So x9 minus r minus 2r is equals to x0. x9 minus 3r is equals to x0. If we only compare the powers now, we have 9 minus 3r is equals to 0, or r is equals to 3. Okay, so we now have r. We now have to substitute r in this equation number 1, and we have 3 here, 9 over here, 2x 9 minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 4x squared. We have r 3. Okay, so let's use a calculator and see r, which is 3, we get 84. So 84 times this is 6 actually. 6. Okay, so 2 raised to the power of 6 is 64, x raised to the power of 6. Okay, here we multiply it with minus 1 over 4 raised to the power 3, 64, x square raised to the power 3 is x6. These two cancel each other out, there's only minus 1 left, and the term becomes minus 84. So this is the term in the expansion which is independent of x.